All right, guys, we're shooting this Taurus TX9, sub $400 Glock 19 size compact pistol. It's optics ready, very nice trigger, 4.5 pounds. So far it's been reliable. We put a couple mags through it. It's got these Italian Metgar mags that it comes with, and it's duty rated, which means it's up to NATO specs. They tested it in dirt and sand and water in all those sketchy conditions, and it passed flawlessly. I'm gonna give it a speed run and see if it can handle being shot very quickly. So let's check it out. Better than SIG.